The EFF's open border policy has been the most controversial and the most consistent stances of the EFF. Going to an extent ukuthi EFF is it. This is not an EFF policy, but this is a generational mission. Africa must open its borders. So obviously, EFF to justify this policy or to justify its ideology. Firstly, this idea of South Africa has closed borders is null and void, is false. Because even namanje we have open borders. Ithi abantu from Lesotho can power in South Africa like bayijump le fence leyakhona, ithi abantu baseZimbabwe bayijump la fence, abantu baseMozambique, abantu baseBotswana, even naseNamibia. This idea of ukuthi South Africa has ama borders nayo leyo idea leyo nje ayikho ngokwayo. So methi we must open the borders. Hayi ukuthi ikhuluma into eupset, ikhuluma into engekho, ukuthi nje yona it wants to legalize immigration. It wants ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukumigrate freely without having to jump ama borders angekho at all. Why is the EFF risking so much for this one policy? Like, can they like sideline it for a couple of years, maybe bangene in power, then maybe in power, because they reintroduce this policy? It seems they cannot, and we must first understand what in EFF and what does EFF represent. So EFF is a Pan-Africanist organization. So Pan-Africanism is an ideology which Africa should be united. Which the greatest strength for Africa is Africa to unite. Which it divided lama countries like ama imperialist forces azohlezi asimanipulate divided, so hlezi depend ku Russia, so hlezi depend ku China ukuthi izoba yi-ally yethu. However, united asibadingi bonke labantu, we can do it by ourselves. So by default, by being a Pan-Africanist organization, they by default anti-nationalism. We must be confined to the areas of our country. Kumele singabi confined to the country. Kumele spread it throughout the entire continent and make it world throughout the entire continent. So even this idea of namanje, even though South Africa is a sovereign state, but we are still dependent on Britain. We are still post Britain under this banner of being called Commonwealth nations. So obvious, this idea of a borderless Africa, even though most South Africans dislike this idea which we must open borders, despite which EFF our borders are already open, but most South Africans embrace this idea of open borderness. For example, most of South Africans abana issue mesinathi let's open borders for iLesotho, let's open borders for iSwaziland, let's open borders for iNamibia, and let's open borders for iBotswana. If that was the case, most South Africans would be for the open border policy. However, point of contention icala mesithi we must open borders for ama Mozambican, we must open borders for ama Zimbabweans, we must open borders for ama Nigerians. Only then does the issue begins. And the EFF claims ukuthi the main reason these people don't want open borders is not because they don't like foreigners, it's because they are Afrophobic. They don't like black people. They hate black people. And so that's why making as Jews as of like Cape Town, or abanye abantu who are not black, by embrace and so welcome to our country, and they even give them new names. And so however, if it's a black African man or it's a black African woman, only then does inkinga begin. And so otherwise, what do you think about this open border policy? Do you think we must open our borders fairly? There won't be one powerful nation, or we must remain as a country and raise South Africa to be one of the greatest countries in Africa? And so